This method allows a simultaneous visualization of pelvic organ descent and their impingement on the levator ani hiatus under the effect of intra-abdominal vector forces. Unlike during a physical examination and 3D perineal ultrasound, the images are acquired during free rectal emptying and without the embarrassment due to the proximity of the examiner. Demonstrating the procedure will be Giulia Melara, a nurse, Andrea Chiapperin, and Mattia Bergamasco, technicians, both from my laboratory.
Before beginning the examination, place a trolley inside the diagnostic room, equipped with all the necessary instruments and supplies, including gloves, syringes, a catheter, lubricant jelly, and acoustic. Help the patient fill in a form that provides information on their history, current symptoms, treatments, and prior medical records, if any. After obtaining written consent, clearly explain the characteristics and purpose of the procedure, including the performance of the various examination maneuvers such as squeezing, straining, and rectal emptying to the patient, informing the patient of the on average 25-minute duration of the procedure and the need for the insertion of a small catheter into the anal canal for contrast administration. Ask the patient to empty their bladder. Then, ask the patient to wear an apron and direct the patient to the diagnostic room.